Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link your social club account with Steam. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up your Steam app. Now, once done, go ahead over to library and make sure to open up any Rockstar Games or Social Club games. All right. For example, the famous GTA 5 and GTA 4. Okay. Now for this example, I've installed GTA 4. So I'm just going to hit on play just for you to see. Okay. Don't believe those videos where it would add a game from here. All right. By the way, there'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes. So as you can see here, it's running. Again, don't believe those videos that says that you'll have to add a game right here and add in Rockstar Games. By then, you'll be able to link your social club. Okay. As you can see here, my Rockstar Games launcher is now updating. Let's just wait for it. And again, in order to link both Social Club and Steam, you'll have to open either GTA 5 or GTA 4 and someday GTA 6. Okay. As you can see here, Rockstar Games is opening. So I'm just going to tick on the stick box and hit on next. Wait for it to load. Now in here, just go ahead and click on enable cloud saves. And again, wait for Rockstar Games to load. Okay, as you can see here, the game is opening. And as you can see here at the top, or at the top right, our Rockstar Games is signed to in. All right, I'm going to hit on play. As you can see here, we have the option for Social Club, same as a GTA 5. Okay. Down here, as you can see, I've been logged in right here at the top right automatically. And when we click on settings right here at the top, all right, and go ahead over to the left panel and click on game settings. As you can see, cloud saves is enabled as well for Social Club. All right, again, nothing else to be done. Just go ahead and straight up play any GTA game from Steam and you're good to go. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.